Hello, quilters. This is Geraldine Wilkins, and welcome to my studio. I'm excited to share with you. I'm going to meet you at the show. Yes, at the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza. There, I'm going to teach 3 classes, all on acrylic ruler quilting. I can't wait to meet you. We're going to have so much fun, and we're going to learn some tips, tricks, and techniques so that we can win at machine quilting with rulers. We're going to use one acrylic ruler to make these designs and a few others. We're going to use it to help us learn the basics of quilting with acrylic rulers, as well as how to use one ruler to make border designs, edge-to-edge designs, block-based designs, and sashing designs. Maybe we're meeting for the first time. I've been a national educator teaching quilters at quilt shows, guild events, quilting retreats, and so many other opportunities where quilters want to go to the next step in their machine quilting journey. That's my passion. That's what I love to do. And I can't wait to meet you in class. So speaking of class, the next class is with a hexagon template. Again, we're going to use one ruler, one shape. And through that, we're going to stitch edge-to-edge designs, border and sashing, and block-based designs. Once we get the basics, then we can have fun and create. Now, what is the next class? The next class is for those who are beginners. We use one simple template. It has a straight edge and a gentle curve, and I show you how to read the lines on the ruler. Most acrylic templates or rulers have reference lines. How do we use those lines? Well, I'm going to show you. And when we do, we don't have to mark as much on our quilt to stitch out designs. I'm going to show you how to use those to create consistently beautiful designs over and over again. And this is in the Power Lines class. This is a 3-hour class where you get to dip your toe in acrylic ruler quilting, learn the foundation, learn some tips and tricks so that you can also be a winner at machine quilting with rulers. Did you know I'm also going to have a lecture? Yes, a lecture. And guess what it's about? You guessed it. It's all about acrylic ruler quilting. I'm going to show you through my quilts a journey of free motion quilting and ruler quilting, and then combining those together to make beautiful designs with thread. Ultimately, we're going to go from ruler quilting being in the backstage to being on the main stage, to being the star of the show. There are so many options with acrylic ruler quilting. Join me for the lecture. All you have to do is go to quiltfest.com, look under instructors, and click Geraldine Wilkins. I can't wait to help you learn more about acrylic ruler quilting at the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza. Join me in the class. Take the next step in your machine quilting journey with acrylic ruler quilting.